Was good. Sorry. I'm just excited because it's Friday and I got cut early, and anytime that I get to drive home in the daylight from work, like, it's amazing. Because I never drive home with sun. Never. So it's actually 8:30. It doesn't get dark until like 9:30. But yeah, I got cut early. It was kind of slow. You know, I got my ish done really quickly so they could let me go, because that's how I do. Luckily, I clocked in like 15 minutes early today, so I'm not losing too much. But yeah, I wanted to start a new vlog because I actually feel like back to normal. Like, I feel, I'm always up and down, but right now I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like myself. My dad is home from the hospital, which, that is a huge contributor to me feeling better emotionally, because I was so worried about him. And he's doing better and he's home now. So, it's like I can breathe now and I don't have to worry about him as much, which is great. And another thing is, I dyed my hair and I got a new piercing done by yours truly. If you haven't seen those videos, I will link them for you. I'll put cards up here for you, and I will link them at the end of the video as well. So go check those out. But I don't know, I just feel fresh. I feel refreshed. I feel good. I feel like my spirits are up now. I needed to do something to like keep my spirits up. And I think like with my dad being out of the hospital and like dyeing my hair and giving myself a piercing, I just feel like I can be excited about something now. So I do feel so much better, and that's why I wanted to start this vlog. And I also went to Dollar Tree today. I was debating on like if I should be going to Dollar Tree anymore, but I wore my mask and I social distanced. So, what are we gonna do? It is what it is, right? So I'm not gonna go like super often, but I actually did need some things from Dollar Tree, and that's why I decided to go. It just so happened that when I went there, I found like so much good stuff, which you guys will see a haul video. I don't know if it's coming out before or after this vlog, probably before. So yeah, there will be a whole haul. It's really good stuff, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, my Dollar Tree is lit now. Like, they have really stocked up some good stuff lately. But yes, it's the weekend, so I'm always excited for the weekend, even though I only work 2 days a week. So it's like, who are you? Like, who are you, bitch? Like, you only work 2 days a week. Your whole life is a weekend. I know. But you guys, now that I have, stuff to, even though you guys are going to watch the hair dye video and the piercing video before you see this, as we speak, I haven't uploaded them yet. I'm in the process of editing. But now that I have all of this content to to film on and to edit, I can actually put out some videos, because I didn't have any content before, and I have even more content coming. So I just got a Shein package, so I will be doing a Shein haul, and I'm super excited for that. And I have a few other packages I'm expecting. It's gonna be a lot of hauls, okay? I've been doing some retail therapy. Sorry about it, but I'm not sorry about it. I've been doing some retail therapy. I just needed it. I just needed to be in a good mood and need to keep my spirits up. And why not? I mean, there's nothing else to do. So got a lot of packages coming my way, so look forward to seeing that. And I'm just excited that I have content now. And I think it was good to just take that break, and I feel refreshed now. So that is the update on that. And I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna go and eat. Luckily, there was some foods that we could take home from work today, which was pretty nice, and it was actually really good. So I'm just gonna heat that up and eat that, and probably have a glass of wine to relax. And tomorrow we're gonna watch the fight with our neighbors as per usual. We're gonna have our usual Saturday. Hey BROCHIKAS. So I'm about to have my first meal of the day. I'm so hungry. It's like 1:30. I just wanted to show you my beautiful breakfast sandwich. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a thin round. So good. Can't wait to eat. Yes, I'm eating in my bed. I just want to watch my show Nip Tuck, and I can't watch it around the kids, and they're watching the TV downstairs, so I'm watching it here. And then I also have my Arizona green tea. So delicious. And right after I finish eating, I have to film my Dollar Tree haul because I just want to use my stuff already that I bought, but like I try not to use anything until I've done the haul. So I really need to get that done today. So I got ready and I'm wearing my little shirt from Shein with just some black shorts, and then I'm wearing my 1989 necklace. I love this necklace. It's so cute. And I just put my hair in a bun because I didn't know what to do. Later on tonight, I'm actually going to be going on a walk. It's way too hot to do that, but my treadmill broke and I really need to walk. I need to. It's been days since I exercised and I just hate the feeling of that, of not exercising. So my neighbor and I are going to go on a walk after dinner. I don't know, 6 or 7-ish. It's 100 degrees here and it stays 100 degrees until 8 o'clock, which is unfortunate, but I gotta do something. I gotta get active. So it is what it is. We're gonna try. You guys, my beautiful dinner, because I feel like I missed showing you guys my food. So we have a delicious little sweet potato, some asparagus, and some salmon with a lemon herb butter mixture on top. How pretty is this? It's so good. So hubby's asleep in the room and I just needed to do some self-care. So I'm using the new mask that I just bought from Dollar Tree. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't want him to get upset if I wake him up. Okay, so I'm using this Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleansing Clay Mask, charcoal and probiotics, and it's got a serum in it, so it's a serum infused mask. And I just feel like my skin has been suffering with this heat and with wearing face masks all the time, the ones for the virus. I feel like I've been getting so many pimples and I've just been sweating so much, so I am masking. Also, I wanted to try it to see if I like it so I could let you guys know. But it smells really good and I do trust Freeman. I've used Freeman's products a lot, so I'm excited. Good morning. It is Wednesday, July 15th, and it is 8:30 in the morning. Why am I awake this early, you ask? Because I'm pretty sure I'm buying a car today. Now, most of you know I've been struggling in my current car. I mean, it works and everything is fine except for the air conditioning. And it's kind of hilarious how low maintenance I am when it comes to cars, because there was actually so many things wrong with my car, but I just got used to them. So the locks were messed up, and if you pressed the lock button that's supposed to lock everything, one of them doesn't lock, so you have to go manually lock it. 2, I don't have a remote unlock and lock, so every time I'm gonna unlock my car, I have to go put the key in. 3, the driver's side door hinge was broken, so it never stayed propped open, which is really frustrating to get in your car when you have a lot of stuff like a purse and a drink and your phone in your hand and everything. And 4, there was a dent on the back bumper, a dent on the front bumper, and hail damage on the top. And there's probably more problems that I can't think of right now. Oh yeah, 5, the cloth on the roof of the car, on the inside, the cloth was coming down. It was disconnected because it was pretty old, and the little foam pieces from inside of there were falling out every day. So yeah, there was a lot wrong with it, but I was dealing with it because I'm not high maintenance when it comes to cars. I'm fine with old cars. I've always had old cars. We did try to fix it. A couple years ago, we spent $3,000 getting the air conditioner fixed. Well, it did not stay fixed for long. I think it worked for maybe 6 months, and then after that, it hasn't been working for the past 2.5 years. So I've just been struggling every summer, and to my own decision though, because I'm cheap, and I didn't want to have to buy a new car and have a new payment because I do own this vehicle. So I just kind of wanted to like use it for as long as I could get away with, so I didn't have an extra payment, because we love that. And it's just gotten to the time, you guys, where I'm tired of suffering in the heat. It is like 105 on the daily now here in Texas, and it's just too hot. It is too hot, especially because I only like leave the house 3 times a week, 2 times to work, 1 time to grocery shop. But even still, it is such a taxing thing to go grocery shopping. I felt like I was going to pass out the last time I did it. It felt like it was 115 degrees in my car. And I'm carrying all the groceries in this hot, like, oven of a car. And it's just not, it's not it, y'all. So, believe we are buying me a new car today. Obviously, it's a used car. I ain't got money like that to be buying a brand new car, but it's going to be a used car. It's going to be a little bit more of a family car because my car is kind of small. It's a Honda Accord. It's a Honda Accord. And so I'm going to be doing an SUV this time, just a little bit more room, bigger trunk, a little higher off the ground. Already test drove it. And the AC is okay. You're just trying to be crazy on camera. I already test drove it, and the air conditioning is super cold, and it feels good, and it feels right. And so we just have to go make it official. In about an hour, we're gonna be leaving to do that. So that's why I'm up this early, having my coffee, and I'm about to go shower and get ready for the day. What's up, BROCHIKAS? We're in my new car. We made it official this morning, and I'm so happy just like driving this. It's amazing. I guess I didn't realize like how behind I was on the times until I got this car, but I was a little bit behind, girl, because like I have a place for my sunglasses now. That's all new to me. I have like voice control in here. I have a backup camera. Like, this is crazy, and it's just so much more spacious. I have an SUV now, and before I had a sedan, and I have a Ford now. So before I had a Honda Accord, and now I have a Ford Escape, and I think it's 2015. Yeah. So this is like the newest car I've ever had, because I've always had old cars. Like the first car I ever had was at least like 15 or 20 years old. And then the car I got after that was 15 years old. And now I have this one. So I'm not used to all this stuff. It's crazy. It's so cool. There's like pockets everywhere, storage everywhere. I've got the buttons on my like steering wheel. So like I can turn up the volume and change the channel and everything. I'm just not used to this. I know like most people are like, Chris, we've been having that, but I haven't had that. I haven't had like a nice car before. I've had good cars, but I'm saying like I haven't had like a super nice one with all these things, man, you know. In the back seat, this middle thing pulls down with more cup holders, which I really like for the kids. This is gonna be like the new family car. And obviously a used car, like, but yeah, it's beautiful. And I love the color, actually. I actually love this blue. The blue is so pretty. Like, I wish my hair could be that color blue, but I am in love with it so far. Oh, I haven't even looked at my mirror. Crazy. I got a light with the mirror. I didn't have that before. What the hell? But yeah, I'm about to go to work. Unfortunately, I'm so tired. Because I'm about to get my period, so I just feel like super fatigued right now, and we woke up early to go do all this, and so I kind of took like a mini cat nap, but I woke up naturally, which was perfect, because whenever I have to wake up with an alarm, I feel like I'm extra moody. But I woke up like, I think I took like a 30-minute cat nap, and it did work, and I had a cup of coffee, but I still feel fatigued. because I'm PMSing, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it. I have a new car to drive, so I'm so excited, and it has air conditioning, so I feel great. All right, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Oh my gosh, you guys, I may have just found my new favorite kind of exercise. And I knew this before, but I stopped doing it. So I used to like go to yoga. I mean, I only went 2 times, but I went to 2 yoga classes and I really loved it each time. And then I used to like watch them on YouTube and do them. Of course, it's better in the class because like they have the tranquil music and they put the lights down low and you have an instructor talking to you so calmly and your kids aren't yelling in the next room. But I wanted to work out, but it's just so hard to feel motivated. And I need to work out because my body is just the type that if I don't work out, I'll just gain weight. Like if I look at food, and that's just how my body is. And although I'm comfortable with like who I am and how I look right now, I don't want to like just keep gaining weight. So I really need to put an effort into working out. And I don't know if I told you guys, but my treadmill kind of like kicked the bucket, which is really sad because I used to use that like 4 times a week. And I can't go outside all the time because it's like 105 degrees and the sun is, you know, like heat exhaustion is a real thing. But I just did a 15-minute like beginners like fat loss yoga session and it was amazing. And like, you know, when you're doing, okay, I tried Chloe Tang's earlier and I could only get through like 5 minutes and I was like, I cannot do this. I am not motivated for this. I can't do HIIT cardio. Like I'm just not. First of all, I'm not as in shape as I used to be, and also it just feels so hard when you're doing it. But the yoga, even though it was hard kind of and you had to keep your core tight the whole time, it just felt easier to do the whole entire 15-minute workout because it was so calm and so relaxing and like so gentle. And I don't know how to explain it, but yoga is my thing, dude. I love it. I forgot how much I loved it when I did it. So now I'm gonna write out a schedule for myself because for some reason when I write things down on a paper of like things to do, I'm just more likely to do them. So I'm gonna do yoga at least 4 times a week. Only 15 minutes. It's not a big deal. It barely takes any time, but like I'm telling you guys, my abs are so sore. Oh my goodness, like I'm already so sore, but it felt so good and relaxing and like rejuvenating. Like I feel like I'm ready to conquer this day. Why did this just give me so much positive vibes? Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. I'm just so happy. Anyways, I just had to tell you guys that because I have been finding it hard to be motivated to do different kinds of exercises besides walking. So